telling me to stay in my lane, but it's screaming my name. My heart is racing, the elements we're facing got us pushing through the night. I feel the pressure, but when we come together, we'll journey through.
Curiosity Kid back, and today we're going to be looking at a Nerf gun that isn't really a Nerf gun. So let's get started. So basically what I did is I got this, it's a Mega Centurion. It's not the best Nerf gun. It only has like 6 shots and it's like massive. It's meant to be a sniper rifle, but it didn't perform well. But yeah, so I bought it from a thrift store for like $5 or something, and it was kind of working then, but not really. So I used it, and then I opened it up to try to fix it, and I couldn't fix it. So I gutted it, and I took out all the supports, and I'll play all my video clips of kind of the build after I'm done talking about it. But yeah, so there's basically, here, I'll just grab it for us, just a sec. This is basically what's inside. So you got your barrel, except there's like a hole here with a cup that goes over the hole so you can load your ammo. But you've basically got your barrel, a fitting, and a fitting to a bigger piece, barrel fitting, another fitting to the pipe, and then another fitting to a screw-on lid, and then a clicker, barbecue igniter. So, and that's so yeah. So that's just a simple one, but I've always wanted to put one of these, or an air one, because these are gas, they run on an explosion. So you put something flammable in, like spray, and then you ignite it and it shoots something out the end. But so with that aside, we've got the chamber from here to here, and it's got a screw-on cap, and this was supposed to be what it originally used for the fuel, because what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to constantly let fuel go. So then once you shoot, and then you pump some more air in with the pump, and then you can shoot again, but it hasn't seemed to be working, so I think I'm just gonna get rid of that. But yeah, so we've got the air pump. In here you can kind of see a bit of green. Yeah, there, green. And that's a printed coupler, just so I wouldn't have to spend as much money on. But if it was like an air cannon, I would use proper fittings, because it would leak. But since it's just a quick explosion, it doesn't like lose too much efficiency. But an air cannon, you pump it up and then you wait like 10 minutes, like usually, because you got to do something or load it, or right. And then printed a little sight, and then this is the breech. So there's just an O-ring there, and then this gets pushed up there. It does leak a little bit here. I tried putting an O-ring there, but I couldn't pull it back. So I just took it off, and there's only one. And it doesn't seem to hinder its performance. And then we've got the barrel. It's just a piece of 3 1/4 PVC. Yeah, and then I wrapped electrical tape around so it would fit perfectly middle inside the barrel. So yeah, and then the magazine doesn't do anything right now. It just, I cut the, like pulled the things off with pliers. But I'm thinking about things to do with it. But yeah. It's still got all the rails, so you can still attach things. It's basically a regular Nerf gun, except way overpowered and like a single shot. So, and it shoots these. So it's just a 3D printed cone. You can also do the cones. This I just got off Thingiverse. The cones you can do in like paper, but it's quicker and easier to print them. But if you don't have a printer, just if you go to King of Random and look up his laser sighted blow dart gun, he shows you how to make these there with paper. But yeah, so there's just a nail and then it's glued in there. So yeah, I'm gonna run the videos of my building process. So I just finished putting the electric igniter in. And then I just gotta connect the 2 wires here that'll go into the chamber. I still have to build the chamber, but yeah. I'm just cutting out these supports here because I don't need them and I can't fit the pipe in with them in here. I'm just using this tool. You can use a plier as well. I don't know what this is called, but they're pretty cheap, like 30 bucks, but yeah, you can use like a plier, or if you have a Dremel, that'll work too. But yeah. Okay, so this is just the combustion chamber and then the barrel. I'm gonna have this here somewhere-ish, right in between here. And I'm gonna have a cutout piece, and this is gonna slide. I've sanded the ridge out of the middle. See? Right there. So smooth so it can slide over top. And that'll close the opening. So you open it, put your, and then this is just a 3D printed coupler. I'll try to link that in the description. I just made it in Tinkercad. And then I glued the PVC in here with hot glue. So I'll try to link it. This is 2-inch inner diameter ABS pipe, and this is, not exactly sure what this is. I think it's like, well, it's like 23 millimeter outer diameter, like the outside, so I don't know what that is exactly, or 22, something around there, but yeah. Okay, so I just made the breech here. That's where, there's just dust in there. That's where you'll put your ammunition. So this is the inside. It's basically finished. I hadn't tested it yet. This just goes on here. Subscribe, like, comment. If you have any comments on what you would like to see with this gun, or what videos I should do next, or any 3D printing videos. But yeah, comment in the comments below if you have any ideas, and I may try to do them. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.